Blue whale. The blue whale is the largest animal ever known to exist on Earth. An adult can reach nearly 100 feet in length and weigh up to 200 tons. Its heart alone is about the size of a small car, and its tongue can weigh as much as an elephant. What's even more amazing is that this giant survives almost entirely on tiny creatures called krill. During feeding season, a blue whale can consume around 4 tons of krill every single day. Despite its massive size, the blue whale is calm, peaceful, and rarely interacts with humans. Orca. The orca, also known as the killer whale, is the undisputed king of the ocean. Unlike most whales, orcas are expert hunters that live and hunt in highly organized family groups called pods. They use teamwork, intelligence, and communication to catch fish, seals, dolphins, and sometimes even other whales. Orcas are considered one of the smartest animals on Earth. Every pod has its own unique hunting techniques and even its own style of communication, almost like different languages. With no natural predators, the orca sits at the very top of the ocean food chain. Sperm whale. The sperm whale is famous for having the largest brain of any animal ever discovered. These incredible giants are deep-sea explorers, capable of diving more than 2,000 meters below the surface in search of giant squid. Some dives last over an hour before the whale returns for air. Scientists still know very little about what happens during these deep dives, making the sperm whale one of the ocean's greatest mysteries. Its massive square-shaped head makes it easy to recognize anywhere in the world. Humpback whale. The humpback whale is one of the most beautiful and entertaining whales in the ocean. These whales are famous for their breathtaking jumps, known as breaching, where they launch their entire bodies out of the water before crashing back into the sea. Even more fascinating are their haunting songs, which can travel for hundreds of kilometers underwater. Male humpback whales sing these complex songs during breeding season, and the melodies can last for hours. Every year, they also complete one of the longest migrations of any mammal on Earth, beluga whale. The beluga whale is instantly recognizable because of its pure white color and friendly-looking smile. Unlike most whales, belugas can move their necks, allowing them to turn their heads in different directions. They are extremely social animals and communicate using whistles, clicks, and chirps. Because they make so many different sounds, they're often called the canaries of the sea. Belugas spend most of their lives in the icy waters of the Arctic, where their white color helps them blend into the surrounding ice. Narwhal. The narwhal is often called the unicorn of the sea. Its most famous feature is the long spiral tusk growing from its head, which can reach over 10 feet in length. Although it looks like a horn, the tusk is actually an oversized tooth filled with millions of nerve endings. Scientists believe it helps narwhals sense changes in their environment. Living in the freezing Arctic Ocean, narwhals spend much of their lives beneath thick sea ice, making them one of the most mysterious marine mammals on Earth. Gray whale. The gray whale is one of the greatest travelers in the animal kingdom. Every year, it migrates nearly 12,000 miles, traveling between the cold Arctic feeding grounds and the warm lagoons where it gives birth. Unlike many whales that feed near the surface, gray whales often search for food along the ocean floor by sucking up mud and filtering out tiny animals. These incredible journeys have been repeated for thousands of years, making the gray whale one of nature's greatest survivors. Bowhead whale. The bowhead whale is an Arctic giant built for survival. Its body is protected by an incredibly thick layer of blubber that keeps it warm in freezing temperatures. Its massive skull is strong enough to break through thick sea ice so it can breathe. Perhaps the most amazing fact about the bowhead whale is its lifespan. Scientists believe some individuals live for more than 200 years, making them among the longest living mammals on Earth. These ancient giants have witnessed centuries of change in the Arctic Ocean.